Hey guys, 𝐏𝐫𝐶𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐬 is direct member to member programs, or what is it, right? And how direct member to member programs can help you make money online. Okay, so direct member to member programs are programs where when you make a commission, when you make a commission as affiliate through your marketing efforts, and the program that I promote and recommend, it teaches you how to simply learn some simple skill sets to promote your affiliate link. Once you learn how to promote your affiliate link, you can promote anything, including yourself and your brand, and you can learn how to make a lot of money in other ways with those skill sets once you learn them. Okay, but the thing that sets direct member to member programs apart from other types of ways of making money online, like network marketing, MLM, and all those things, is there is no company holding your money when you make a commission. Direct member to member means when you make a commission, it goes direct into your bank account. From my experience, I have seen a lot of people online join companies, and you made a commission, right? You made a referral, somebody bought that product through the company, and then they hold your money, and then when they decide they're gonna pay you out, they're gonna pay you out on Wednesday, they're gonna pay you out on Thursday. Well, what happens when that company decides that they're gonna shut down, or they're gonna change their compensation plan, right? You don't get that money. Okay, that happened. I think I did a video where I talked about this Forex company like last summer. There were people who made thousands of dollars. Some of them was supposed to get like $2,000 to $3,000 for that week, and then they shut down with all their commissions held with that company. Okay, when you are with direct member to member, again, when you make a commission, no, it don't go through a company. That money goes direct to your PayPal, your Stripe, your Cash App, your Zelle, right? And that's the company that I'm with. The link is beneath this video. That's how they pay out, direct member to member. Okay, so that's how direct member to member works. Okay, and yeah, it's my favorite way. What the hell is this, a mosquito? Direct member to member is my favorite way to make money in the online space. One, it helps you know that you're going to get your coins when you make a commission and you make a referral. Second thing that I like is you're able to control your cash flow. Okay, and you're able to make 100% commissions. Okay, so with a lot of like network marketing and MLM companies, you make a referral or a commission, and they only gonna pay you 30%, 20%, sometimes 50%, and that's it. That's all you gonna get. So you go and retail a $100 product, give you $50. Okay, or you know, if that's 50%, but a lot of network marketing MLM companies of the sort, it's like 20 to 30% is the going range. So you go sell a $100 product, you'll be lucky if you get $20 off of that product. When I, as an affiliate, someone purchases a $300 package, I make $300, and my money is not being funneled through a company. Okay, so that's how direct member to member work. If that's the business model that you want to check out, you want to learn more about direct member to member, but more importantly, you want to not be in the rat race that people are in, where all they're doing is chasing make money opportunities, but you want to learn some skill sets so you can be a better affiliate marketer and build some consistent income in the online space. I want you to check out the link beneath this video. Take a close look at it. Position yourself where you want to get started, right? Most people position themselves at pro or elite. If you're ready to be a serious marketer and you want to learn those skill sets and master those skill sets and apply that to your business and be a better affiliate marketer and take advantage of that training. If that's you, then check that link beneath this video. Also, when people position themselves with me, I give access to my bonuses, which will complement what's in the Infinity Processing System training. Which it doesn't need a compliment, I'm just saying that, but I give it anyways, where I give people my shortcuts on how I have built on YouTube and also on Facebook. So if that's you and that's something you want to learn, go ahead and click the link in this video. Again, position yourself where you want to get started and smash the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.